ladies, you can come back now. Wow, I love a guy who's super duper fast. I like to take my time when it comes to things. Bye, ladies.
Well, long time no see. Bye-bye. Come on, let's go to bed.
What is this about? This is about you now lying to me that I'm not your best friend. You just don't know how to hook up with the in crowd. You're so boring. Hence, you got this smaller room. Oh, I guess one of those new guys could sleep in your room. We could fit like 2 more people. I guess so, but... No buts. You're getting some roommates. Ugh. I hope they're cool. I'll know, because their outfits will be cool. Not yours that is super duper clashy. Someone like mine. Super duper hot, super duper fat. Boo. So, get in with the in crowd and maybe you'll be with me. Gotta go to get the door. So, texting to everyone. I have to call the boys and see when our dates are going to be.